Welcome to Airstream Wheeler. Today we are going to get a little sandy at the Great Sand Dunes National Park. Please like, subscribe, click that notification bell. It really helps our channel and lets YouTube know that you want more Airstream Wheeler content. Oh man, it is so windy up here.
All the ridges, it just focuses the wind right above.
The wind is just the wind is just epically howling. I don't know if any of this is gonna come through, but it's worth coming here. It is amazing. It's so beautiful.
You're playing around?
These are the tallest sand dunes in North America. They don't actually even look real when you come up to them. They kind of look like, I don't know, like silly putty in the distance. It's really amazing. They look fake. The dunes cover about 30 square miles, and the tallest one is over 750 feet high. And you can't even really get the scope of how big they are as they're in the distance. And as soon as you get to them, they are huge, just huge. The wind carries the sand to the Sangre de Cristo Mountains that you see here in the distance, and the sand gets essentially knocked out of the wind and lands and forms these dunes. So beyond the visitor center, you sort of drive down to this parking lot area, and you can change your shoes, and they have places where you can like rinse your feet and stuff when you come off the dunes, or you can rent these like sled type snowboardy looking things and ride the dunes and stuff. It looked really fun. It's nothing that I was interested in doing. The wind was howling while we were there. From the parking lot, you cross this sort of sandy mud flat riverbed sort of area, and then you can basically walk right up these huge dunes. The wind was pretty epic. We climbed around a bit and watched people sledding and kids having fun, and the wind was sort of like pushing sand into our hair and into our teeth as we were like laughing and having a good time. Everything was gritty, everything had fine sand on it, and it was totally worth going. Even as we were climbing and leaving footprints in the dunes, the sand was being carried on the wind and filling in our tracks. During the summer, the sand can be 150 degrees. It is completely recommended that you go out there with water and closed-toe shoes, not sandals or barefoot. These unique dunes became protected in 1932 to protect from gold mining and the harvesting of this particular sand resource for concrete businesses. I don't think that the camera even can do justice.
It's cool.